Richmond Greenway is really a reflection of the transformation of Richmond.
A real transformative event that happened was when the Richmond Greenway, the former rail line there, was transferred to the city.
We want to transform this community through art, through culture, and through greens, like vegetation, trees, edibles. And this is just the beginning of something that is getting bigger and bigger.
We're not just, trying to attract people from the outside, we're working from the inside.
It will continue to serve as Richmond's backyard.
Each group worked with students, worked with neighbors, worked with other collaborating groups. We had artists come in and teach students how to do things that they've never done before. This gave them skills, it gave them pride, and they can now go out in the Greenway and see all the beautiful work that they've done.
This is really a space for Richmond to thrive, but it's also going to be a model for other cities to create these local spaces for their communities to thrive. That's what we're hoping to see on the Greenway.
And that sense of empowerment comes from people gathering together. It offers that common space for people to talk, to chat, to talk about the issues of our times, to talk about Richmond's issues, to share ideas, and to help us transform further. We're living in difficult times, but we're living in creative times as well. And, that's the joy of being alive today. And the Richmond Greenway is one of the most beautiful reflections of being alive in today's world.